Okay, good afternoon, Cuxton. I hope you're okay and I hope you had a brilliant weekend. We're on to the third celebration assembly of the term. I don't know where this term's going already. I'm just going to let Magnolia in. It's absolutely flying by. So before we move on to the certificates, I want to say a big well done to those classes who have been showing excellence whilst walking around the school. And probably about half an hour ago, I witnessed Elm class coming back from the computing suite. And it was the first time they'd ever been to the computing suite. And Mrs. Mulholland was so proud of them. But I was particularly proud of the way they walked back so sensibly. They looked incredibly smart with their t-shirts tucked in, and they were walking silently along the corridor. So a big well done to Elm class and any other classes who have shown excellence this week in their walking around school. So this week, I am going to set you the target of demonstrating resilience in your lessons. And I'm just going to let Chestnut class in. There we go. I want you to be upholding the resilience value. So I want you to have a go at something. If it's rather tricky this week, I want you to have a go at using the 5 Bs that are in your classroom displayed. So your buddy, your boss, your teacher, the board, the book, and so on. And I want you to use those ideas and those strategies to help you with being resilient in your classroom. So please use the 5 Bs to support you in your learning. So that's your target this week, Cuxton, and I'm going to see if anyone can do that across the week. So we're going to move on to our certificates now. So we are off to year 1 first of all, and we have Summer, who's been showing resilience, how strange, and always trying her best. So well done to Summer, big well done. And to Jack for excellent use of mathematical vocabulary greater than and less than. Keep it up, Jack, really pleasing to hear. Sebastian's been showing the community value for helping others in sorting animals into groups. Congratulations, Sebastian. And Bella has been upholding the adventure and the excellence value for fantastic ordinal numbers during a racing activity. And I've been in Elm class this morning to see the wonderful learning that's been going on. It's very impressive. Let's give year 1 a huge round of applause. Well done. Off to year 2, we have a certificate here for Sophie G for fantastic running stitch when making a flower petal. Sophie, I heard all about your sewing last week. Clearly a very creative child. I'd love to see the finished product. Well done to Layla for a wonderful treasure map design. Clearly very creative children in Beach class. Well done to Max in Birch class for settling in so well into the Birch community. And Max is a new child at our school. So a big well done to Max for settling in so well. And to Oscar B for his fantastic sense of adventure, creating his maps and drawing during his time at home. Keep it up, Oscar. Let's give year 2 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 2. Off to year 3. So we have one here for Luke for trying really hard in maths. So demonstrating our resilience value, Luke. And to Carly for always trying hard in all her lessons. And again, upholding our resilience value. So there's me setting you the target of meeting the resilience value, but lots of you are already meeting it. Well done to Finley, who's demonstrating the community value for always being about to help others and being extremely respectful to his environment. So it's not just about showing respect to one another, one of our school rights, it's also about showing respect to the environment itself. Well done to Reggie for his sense of adventure when having a chocolate tasting session. That sounds very interesting, Reggie. And I know how much year 3 have enjoyed their scrumdiddlyumptious day. And they've been eating lots of scrummy things this afternoon. Let's give year 3 a huge round of applause. Off to year 4 now. So we have Eliza, who's upholding the community value for helping others and always being so considerate. Doesn't surprise me at all, Eliza. And well done to Annie for settling into Holly class so well and working incredibly hard. You've been upholding the community value, Annie. So Annie's also new to our school. I say new to our school, she's been here before, but she's new to Holly class. And a big well done to Grace in Maple class for showing resilience in improving her handwriting. Wow, Grace, I'd love to see it. And Javier for showing consistent excellence in his behaviour and attitude to learning. Well done, Javier, always doing the right thing. Let's give Year 4 a huge round of applause. Off to Year 5 now, so well done to Darcy in Chestnut for being a great friend to everyone and supporting others in lessons, so clearly demonstrating the community value. And a big well done to Charlie B for outstanding resilience in his maths challenges. Well done, Charlie. Keep it up, it's good to hear you're being challenged. And off to Olive class now. So we have a certificate here for Jessica for her ability to order large numbers and give an explanation of how she did it. So a nice bit of reasoning going on, Jess. And to Amelia S for her increased effort and improved handwriting. Congratulations, Amelia, keep it up. Let's give Year 5 a huge round of applause. Off to Year 6, last but not least. So we have one here for Ava May for demonstrating excellence in producing high quality work in all subjects. Wow, Ava, that's no mean feat. And one here for Sophie L for demonstrating adventure when learning about the circulatory system. I can never say it, children. The system with the blood go around the body. I can never say the word. So well done to Sophie. Congratulations. That's really pleasing to hear. And we have Maisie for showing excellence in working independently in maths lessons. That's really good to hear, Maisie. Keep it up. And last but not least, we've got Alfie G for showing excellence in his letter writing skills. Well done, Alfie. Let's give Year 6 a huge round of applause. Okay, off to the attendance awards now. So we've got our golden envelopes. I'm just going to grab them. And I know last week the children thoroughly enjoyed their golden time with their 15 minutes. So the best attendance this week in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, with 99% Beach class. Well done, Beach class. I could hear a delayed response behind me. And let's see if a class in the junior school can beat Beach class for 99%. So a big well done to, drum roll, stop, Holly class for 98.1%. So Beach class are the winners again of the Best Attendance Awards. So the envelopes are coming your way, Beach class. You can enjoy 15 minutes of free time because you've got the best attendance across the school. The tidiest classrooms this week go to, in the infant school, drum roll, stop, Ash class. Well done, Ash class. And I was down in your classroom this morning and your classroom's looking fantastic. And the tidiest classrooms in the junior school are, drum roll, stop, Year 3 again. Wow, Magnolia and Cherry, I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing a wonderful job. So Year 4, 5 and 6 got a bit of making up to do with regards to the tidiest classrooms next week. Let's see if it can be a different class when we come round to next week's celebration assembly. Now I've got the golden book here and I've got lots of names to read out today. That means lots of postcards for Mrs. Alden Brewery to write. I think I need to get writing them. So we have Josh S for brilliant letter formation. We have Lois S, Charlie B and Darcy M for superb research writing. We have Clara G for excellent presentation in her maths learning. Archie A and James G for excellent work comparing numbers up to 100,000. We have Ruben J for great work learning about letter writing and super letter formation. We have Bluey D for being so helpful in class and tidying up everybody's mess, a superstar helping Mrs. Curtis every day. And I've just seen Bluey in his learning this morning, he's doing a wonderful job. Well done to Tiger L for working systematically in maths. Hannah G for excellent biome work and research. Summer M for lovely letter writing in role as Victor Frankenstein. Carly C for amazing independent learning, counting in 50s up to 1,000. Miley DB and Freddie N for an incredible explanation text about rockets filled with super topic vocabulary. And last but not least, we've got 2 that have come to see us today. Well done to Harry G for superbly informative writing about the components of blood. And well done to Harrison B for demonstrating excellence in his behaviour. So many children across the school this week have been put in the Golden Book, which is really, really pleasing. So well done. Okay, children, that's the end of another celebration assembly. So much to celebrate, so keep it up. Remember, you've got the challenge this week of being resilient learners by using the 5 Bs that are displayed in your classroom. So rather than going straight to the boss, straight to the teacher, have a go at using all the different strategies around you to help you. So look at the board, look at the book, use your buddy and so on to help you. Okay. Have a wonderful week, Cuxton, and I will see you soon. Bye.